What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to recap ANVS. Took a loss on this ticker here, but I'm going to give you my analysis on this ticker going forward and explain to you why this squeeze was so nasty, and it also caught me a bit off guard. So my trade wasn't too bad. I didn't touch it on the front side here. It was not up enough for me in the pre-market, so this is sometimes what happens when stocks don't have enough extension on low float. They will squeeze like this after the open. I was actually looking to go long off this level, but never got a dip on it. And then once this thing dumped at 65, hit 53, that was my signal. I have some statistics to back this up. To short a bounce here, and I shorted this around 57, 58. And I got stopped out on this candle here and then just left it alone after that. Only partial size because this wasn't really a good pattern to trade. But in any case, why did this squeeze? Well, more than technicals, it has to do with the overall small cap sector. We've had 20%, 30% gappers that, just push 5% after open and dump. And so short sellers have been very accustomed to stocks that are spiking and then they just dump. So essentially what happens is they're not used to this type of squeeze, and this is why these squeezes can get really nasty in a boring market. And I kind of said this in my chat, is that this kind of is looking like a black swan to me. And what I mean by that, it looks like one of those crazy outliers, and I wouldn't be surprised if this thing goes to 100 today. I'm making this right now at 11:18 market time. But once it broke through the 60 level, it's no longer a trade. I got out, and now as you can see, it's performing some weird actions. Yes, it is manipulated. This high of day fake out here was designed to take out short stops and then dump, and then again they're ramping it up. So be curious to see what happens after the halt here. But just my gut feeling right now is that this thing's going to go at least to 75 plus, maybe even 100. Market's been really slow. Here we go, ripping up. But yeah, when you have these very slow conditions, these squeezes are really, really nasty because they catch short sellers off guard, and it's very difficult usually to manipulate a stock at like $50, $60. So I was quite surprised that they are able to do this. It must take a lot of money to manipulate a stock like this. So I mean, I know the float is only 4 million, but it's still a $60 stock. It takes quite a bit of money to move it, but it looks like the market makers have a lot of money now, and this is definitely the first time I've seen a stock at this price perform this type of manipulative actions. So hopefully this brings some sympathy on Monday, and this thing can go to like 100. So that's what I'm hoping for, because the market's been really slow. But hopefully you guys stayed safe on this if you're shorting, and if you went long, congrats. Should be interesting to see where this rips to. If you guys enjoyed the analysis, please drop a like and subscribe. If you want to check out my free chat room, Discord chat, the link is in the description. Just shoot me an email, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.